Hello kids and girls, I'm Subcrash and today I will show you my Aimbot config. I'm not moving my mouse, I'm just holding right click and you see it's completely aiming. I'm not aiming, it's fully aimbot. This is my new config for the remapper. I spent a lot of hours, I playing a lot of games to find the perfect settings for my case, okay? These settings are for 800 dpi, so also I play in game with with this sensibility. I use 7 on stick and 20 on vertical, the y-axis, okay? I also use multiplier by 1. I play on linear and use aim assist type on Black Ops. This is the best settings I find for me. Is completely aimbot. I'm not moving my mouse. Literally, it's just the remapper aiming by himself. It feels like, I don't know. I don't think like it's impressive. Like it's just the game aim assist. Like not any of internal shit. It's just the game aim assist, but with the scripts tuned. So I will show you what I changed. I will show you my entry config so you can put and try similar or the same config. Okay, first, this is my adjusted config. I use the default sensibilities, but I increased the scaling factor on X to 4.7. I use 6. I use 4.6 or 4.6 anyways. Sorry, my English not the best, but I try my best. Because it makes more heavier the mouse. Like the difference between 4.5 and 4.6 is big. Like feels so different. Like on .7 I feel so heavy. On .5 I feel so higher. Like it's very speed. But I prefer 6. Well, the rest is by default. I don't change nothing here. This is my macros. It depends of your weapon builds. My builds are full no recoil builds. Like I try do meta no recoil weapons. But if you are using full movement weapons, maybe you won't use this to reduce the recoil. I recommend you using. But I don't need because I use no recoil type of weapons. I use auto ping, shitter b2. I don't use shitter normally. I use the double weapon swap. I don't use the auto strafe and have the sensibility toggle on, but I usually don't use. This is the sticky aim enable. I have the sticky aim as default. I don't change nothing. This is the steady aim. I set this as default. The steady aim helps you aim when you right click. Like when you want aim to the steady aim, like it's harder like aim to him, like trying to move. So if I wanna aim to him, I choose right click, and with the steady aim I can aim much better. Also, if you don't like the Black Ops MSCs, use the default one. Like use default or Black Ops. This is us the best. Like default works very good too. Like looks. Oh my, it's like I'm not moving the fucking mouse. It's impressive. Well, let's jump into the config again. The steady aim is for help you to aim along targets. Okay, this is a tracker. Okay. This is for tracker assist, like for tracking better when you are aiming, helps you a lot in the tracking stuff. I let as default, like I don't play a lot with this because I think it's good for me. These settings maybe can be better. Here, I disable completely the polar aim. I feel like the polar aim makes the movement like this. The movements in general makes feel better because right now I'm not fully feeling like a mouse movement as before. because I turn off the polar aim. The polar aim like make it feel too much better when you are like just walking, but the polar aim maybe fucks a little the aimbot config. So I disable it, and you will see maybe the hip fire is worse. Where I ensure you when you shoes are like shooting or aiming or anyways, you have aimbot. I will show you a complete gameplay. Like I'm literally I'm recording the entry screen so you can see I'm not wilding. I'm not using any shit. I'm not using aim externally. Anyway, it's just this software, and you will be impressive. Well, this is the tracking assist. It's disabled because the tracking assist what's do is like multiply the movement and add an extra movement in the direction you move the mouse. But you don't need, because with this config you don't need move the mouse. It's just it aiming for you. The excluded K doesn't matter. It's just for voice chat and stuff. And here is the magic. Okay, copy exactly my aim assist config. Okay, it's very important. Change this for circle to atomic. Atomic is perfect for aim assist. Also here you have speed angle tracking. I increase the boost speed and etc. And finally on the cheater V2 I use triangular. I'm used the default values, but I only use cheater on fire because cheater is very good for close combat, but I don't want use the cheater for like long range combat, etc. Like I prefer have the cheater only when I'm shoot, not when I'm aiming. And this is my config. Okay, it's very nice config. So when you want, like, oh my fucking god, I'm feeling like it's feeling like aimbot, man. This shit is aiming for me. Like I'm not aiming at all. Like I just moving my camera to the enemies and shoot, and that's all. Okay, I will search a game. To make more faster, I will search Purgatory to show you how it works. I hope we fast. This I will show you my loadouts just in case anyone wanna see it. Like this is my loadout for the jitter. It's pretty good. It's like the usual loadout, the same as always. And this is my no recoil static. It's good. I use this camo because it's new and I'm testing it, but I think this build is good. You don't need any other build, or maybe you can try like if you wanna full movement build, you have to try something like let me edit this one. Maybe this without crosshair, add a razor. Where is the razor? No, not this one. This one is bad. This one. And something similar to this you can do. Maybe change the canon. I don't know. But I don't have time to edit the loadout. But let's do it. I will show you this shit. Oh my god, this shit is like fucking crazy. Yeah, I'm sure this shit is fucking crazy. Like I'm so bad playing with the remapper because it fucks my movement a lot, but the aims like make it work because aiming for me agility. Like I don't need to do nothing. I just right click on enemies, shoot, kill. That's all. Like it's impressive. Like sometimes the aim assist is tracking people behind the walls. If you start tracking someone, and this guy run and hide behind the wall, the aim assist is tracking him. I don't know how it works internally in the game, but it's impressive. It's like some. Okay, Let's. Whoa, man. This shit is awesome. Like, I don't know why the game have this. I will try kill him. Oh shit. This guy will try to kill me, maybe. Oh, you a game, bro? Wow. Look this shit, man. Look this shit. It's literally aimbot. Like, wow. It's impressive. I can. You like, guys, need to try. Need to try the config and need to try the software. It's feel like literally aimbot. Like, when I make this software, I don't know like it will work like this. Bots. No, behind me. It's a little hard for me, maybe because it focuses a little my movement, so I'm not too. Oh fuck! I almost forgot to open the. Oh. Oh my god! It's so sticky. Like my aim is hooking him a lot. Okay, let's try see. Okay, let's go to the rappel stuff. Yeah, I will try like increase the sensitivity on 1 and see what happens. You see, that tracking like looks like aimbot. I don't aim to him. I just right click and start shooting. I don't move my mouse. Like goose. Yeah, goodbye, pussy. Oh, behind me. My fucking god, this shit. Like, this game is broken, bro. This is why people cheating in the game. Like, you can't give this type of aim assist. I know you need like find the config. It's kinda hard. Find the config for you, the perfect one. But what the fuck? Like, I know it's kinda hard to find the config, but you give a controller player this type of aim in the game, and for keyboard and mouse players you don't need nothing. And what the fuck? Let me walk a little. I will fuck you, bitch. I'm tracking him behind the fucking wall. Die. Wow. This game's broken. Yeah, you go out boating with a fucking aim assist, bro. Whoa, 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 a lot of people. I will die. I'm sure. I need like myself. Whoa! Where? I listen you? Where are you? Oh, here. I will drop myself here because I will die if I keep on top. What are you doing here? Okay, in the smoke there is no aim assist, so it's kinda hard like aiming at this stuff. Oh. Fucking some. No, 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 no. Okay. Like, look pretty good. Like, for me this comp is very good. Maybe I have to spend a little more time searching. Oh, people here? Yeah. No! Ah, my god, this shit is broken, bro. Who is aiming to me? Get the fuck up. Goodbye, loser. No! Zombie attack! What? You poop yourselves, bitch. Anything else here on the... Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, my bad. Oh, I hit someone. Whoa! Whoa! And you? Oh no, my bullets. But it's so funny. Whoa! I tracking your kill, bitch. What's happened, buddy? Whoa. I have bullets. Whoa. Look at that. Look at that. Wow, you see that 180? It's not me, it's literally the software. Right, the aim assist the game. The aim assist is aiming to the zombie. Like, wow. Like, this shit is aimbot. This shit is aimbot. Like, this game have an aimbot inside. If you can abuse it, choose finding the right configs to force the aimbot to work everything. Like, whoa, it's so snappy. What the fuck? Yeah, I was watching Doctor Who. Well, I would try my best. Like, I'm quite bad playing the game, so it's hard to me maybe the positioning to do the things good. But I would try. I would try hit the most kills I can. Yeah, I wish I'm into the university. Okay, let's try kill the guy. Oh yeah, this guy. Oh yes. He... Whoa! There is more people. You have free body? Yeah, looks like you don't have friends. You are like me. You are alone right now. Oh. Whoa! Die! Oh! What? Let's jump into this rat! Come here, bitch! Yee-hoo! Oh. Okay. Oh, I love this gun. Boiling. Oh, there is people here. Whoa. Whoa. No, it's in the heart. Whoa, 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 what the fuck fucking come? No, fuck. Whoa. Die, motherfucker. Let's take it, my... Oh, you take my SMG. Where is your friend? Where is your friend? Okay. I wanted the loadout. No, I don't know. I tell I know, but it's not the truth. Oh! Ah, I hear you. Whoa! Your friends here. I don't have a scope. I know. Fuck. You have good weapons? No, but you have this. I know he's... Yeah, he's on the top, it's boiling. Oh! Yeah, no problem. I will take my loadout and... No, no. This guy okay. Good game. Die. I see him. He's very close to me. I hear you. Oh, where are you, bro? Oh, inside this store. Ah, no way, you are game. Where's your friend? I don't know. Yeah, I should die, bro. No way, this thing GUI game. Oh, this skin is free right now? I don't know. Oh, I see him. Oh no. I'm so die here, maybe. Whoa, okay. I have people next to me. Okay, people there. Okay. Yeah, here's it. I know you. Okay. I have good post. Okay. I see that. Maybe this was a bad decision. Okay, I wanna win this game. No one can home. No, they are there. No, yeah. Okay. Okay, I see they from here, here.